So here's how you can set up the custom focus on the iPhone. Let me show you how it works. And if you are new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So of course, you can go to the control center and check out the focus section. And there are going to be a couple of focus modes, but likely the prepared ones, like the work or I don't know, like driving or do not disturb, which is fine or whatever, but it's not very extensive. And if you want to set up a custom one, you'll have to go to the settings app where you scroll down a little bit until you find the focus, right? So you click on focus, you'll be able to go through the existing options again and customize them further, but also you can click on the plus button in the top right corner, and this will give you the ability to add from those additional focus modes, which might appear only when you tap them, or you can even set up a custom one. And the main difference is that the custom one has the ability to be renamed and customized specifically for your needs, because there is always some feature which is particular for a specific focus mode. For example, the gaming mode can be turned on when you connect a wireless controller to the iPhone, right? So it is like set up for the gaming experience. The driving mode can be turned on when you get inside of the car or connect to the car Bluetooth or CarPlay, right? And all of those modes have kind of like their own features, but if you need something very specific, you need to select the custom one. And as I said, you can name it whatever you want, customize the toggle or like the icon there as well as the color. So yeah, you can see you can literally set up your own one and set custom rules for it. So let me know if you managed to do it and find it on your device. Hit the thumbs up button and subscribe for the next tutorials and videos like this, and I'll talk to you soon.